friends, I, Ritika, am your radio show host for today. Today we are proud to invite educationist Ananya Sharma, Masters of Study Patterns and Methods on our show. So come on, let us warmly welcome Dr. Ananya Sharma. Ma'am, we have heard your name a lot, so there's probably no need to introduce you. And so the first question I have for you is that presumably everyone wants to know who exactly an educationist is.
An educationist is someone who helps to develop or shape any educational policy.
Great, it sounds exciting. Ma'am, would you like to tell us how would you define success being an educationist?
Success is not a one-time event. It's about continuous learning. This means that it's not always about getting a good job or earning a lot of money or getting your dream job. Rather, it's about learning continuously and growing consistently.
Well, I suppose every child must listen to it. Since the past decade, the true meaning of success has been changed by the society entirely. So, ma'am, now comes the most awaited question. Who affects the character of the child the most? Parents, teachers, or friends?
All these characters affect the character of a child. But I would say that parents and teachers affect the character of a child the most because they're having that responsibility to shape a child's future. But if it's about choosing any one of them, then I would probably say that parents influence the character of a child the most.
True. Well, besides your professional life, everyone is keen to know about your personal opinions. And so, how do you unwind?
Few minutes of Zumba and stretching makes me very relaxed. And so, whenever you'll find me free, I'll be doing either of the activities.
Seriously, don't know how you people get so much time for self-care. My next question to you is, what has been your most important goal and why is it important to you?
The determination to keep going and not stopping even in the midst of unhappiness has been my most important goal. And its importance to me makes me super positive and helps me in every type of adversity.
Well, sounds fascinating. I think most of the young lot of the nation is gonna be on your footprints. So ma'am, now comes the most important part of our conversation. Does this generation have enough role models?
Unfortunately, after the COVID pandemic, ours is not a perfect world. And if we talk about role models, then they have become somewhat of an endangered species.
Exactly, I totally agree with you. So ma'am, now comes the trivia round. Which is worse, failing or never trying?
Never trying.
Is crying a form of strength or weakness?
That's controversial because to some of the people, crying is a form of strength. But if we see it through the eyes of the society, then cry is usually seen as a sign of weakness.
Which is better for learning, teachers or the internet?
There are teachers only who teach on internet, but nowadays people have started to upload a lot of fake content on internet. So I would say that teachers are much more better than internet.
Which is more important when it comes to career, salary or satisfaction?
Satisfaction is more important.
Well, it was fun talking to you, ma'am. It was truly an inspiring conversation. We thank you wholeheartedly, ma'am. So, my dear audience, hope you have enjoyed the session. We'll meet again next month. Till then, stay connected.